Right, excusing the mess. This is our way we're making a bed in our little micro camper that we're making with this Ford Transit Custom. You can see we've got the telly up there. The wire's gone in there, but anyway, the bed. So this is a double bed which comes in 2 single beds that we bought from Etsy. I will put a link in the description below. And we've fixed the one in position because that is effectively a seat. So this is fixed in position. Things will fit under it nicely. It's fixed over there by a single fixing. We've carpeted it with the around the edge and then with the same as the floor carpet. And now we're going to make a system whereby the other part can be on there. And then you can open it like that when you want to have it in sleep mode. So there'll be seat mode and sleeping mode. And we've adapted this bed from Etsy. It wasn't very expensive. I will put a link to the price. I think it's only about 130 quid for both of them. But at the moment, I think it's going to work. We bought these rather splendidly expensive stainless steel Parliament hinges to do the job of flipping it. But I'll show you the other bit in a minute. So this is the other half of the Etsy bed that we've got, which is going to fold. So the joints are going to be here, which is hence we put those hard points in. We put the hard points in as well, as you see it, just because we're putting a plywood on there. I've made and welded on a stronger leg in the centre, and those legs there. So there's 3 legs, which is how it's always designed. But the legs have been removed from this side because they're going to use the legs on the one that's in the van. We're now going to cover it with ply, and then it will be carpeted and so on like the next one. So I'm pretty certain it should work, and this is a really quite inexpensive system. I utilised these legs that came with it because this always folded. We installed a piece of wood in there and in there, and there's a strengthening bit this side, not that side because it's got to go close to the other bed. Yeah, now her indoors has got a coat on the day because she says it's turned chilly. Probably don't care. We've got that piece of ply on there fixed to the hard point. You will see there's a hole there and a bit there to fill in. That's because this was the bits from the van. I'm not wasting it, and we had got enough to do it, and this is going to be carpeted, so it doesn't matter. This is a non-waste job. This is where we are at the moment. Look, her indoors. Look, she's made it all out of bits. Look, there's a bit to be filled in there, a bit to be filled in there. What a old bitser, a curvy bit. But this is going to be carpeted. It's the sleeping side. That goes in there nicely, because we didn't want to waste wood and go and buy wood and have to store big sheets of wood. So that'll do. The bitzer has become one. So we've done them in, and that's going to be all covered in carpet, so you won't see them bits. There are the legs along here. Yeah, quite pleased with that. That's how it is turned over that way. So they're the legs, and they will be up at the back of the van. So they will be used to hook over the duvet, which would be the seat cover when it's folded up to use as a seat. So we're now going to trim the edge of this with the stretch carpet before we carpet the whole thing. So we've laid the length of the stretch carpet over there, and then we're just going to glue it, spray the glue along there, wrap it round there, and then that'll be an edging, and then this will be covered with a different sort of carpet. So there's one side done. You can see with that spray glue, you just have to be careful, you don't squirt it in your eye. It's horrible stuff if you get it in your eye. Yeah, so there we have one side done, and that is the hinge side. Straightish. Now ready for the proper carpet, which we've got this. I'm just doing a glue test. That's the carpet we've got. Just doing a glue test to see if it will stick with the glue, or if not, I'll use carpet tape. I'd rather use the glue. Yeah, so there we are. So we're gluing this on, you see it like that. We've clamped it with these little clamps using the spray adhesive for the carpet and gluing on. Right, let's get to doing it. So there's that top bit carpeted. That's the bit that will be the seat with the legs poking up at the back of the van. Unfortunately, we ain't quite got enough carpet. We're going to have to do the underneath in 2 bits. But it don't matter because it's only going to be when it's in bed mode. So there it is in bed mode, and you wouldn't think about how to join that carpet. If you look carefully, you can't see it. But that's done. So now the scary job of fitting it on the hinges, those big Parliament hinges. So this is how we've set it up. The scary moment of truth. we're clamping it like that to line it up, and then we've got to fix those Parliament hinges, 4 of them. We've marked where we've fixed them, we've got strong points in. So now's the moment of truth. That will clear that on that will. Right, well, very pleased. There it is in seat mode. You can see the legs are at the back there, which is where we're going to fix the back of the thing that you're going to lean on. Then you just fold it over and it works perfectly with those 4 Parliament hinges, and it goes into bed mode. I may get 2 more Parliament hinges just because I'm that sort of bloke. This is how you put it into bed mode. You just get hold of the leg. Normally I wouldn't have a phone in my hand. Like that. Like that. There you go. That is in bed mode. Quite pleased with that. Whether or not I put a couple more Parliament hinges there, I don't know. Perhaps I will. Yeah. Pleased, very pleased. Thanks for watching.